What is it, low mileage 1994 Toyota Corolla doing in the junkyard? Let's find out.
Yeah. Come on.
When I saw this bad boy come in on the flatbed, I just couldn't believe my eyes. I really just thought to myself, what is a 94 Corolla in perfect condition doing here? Well, off the first looks, it was perfectly fine. So it leads me to believe, what would make you get rid of a perfectly good 94 low mileage Corolla? Now, believe it or not, when I hopped in this car and I started it, the AC was working. Perfectly cold air. I just couldn't believe it. It blew my mind. And then I took a little deeper look and I noticed the seats have zero damage. And the interior, the dash, everything is perfect. Why is this car here? It couldn't be because of the wheels. Because the wheels, even if they're just a little dirty, they're still on. Some of these tires actually still have a good amount of tread. Well, not this one. But this one back here does. And yeah, maybe it's a little rusty, but that's no reason to get rid of the car. You know, it turns on and it runs. So out of curiousness, I now want to take a look at the engine bay, because there's absolutely no way that they get rid of a perfectly fine Corolla. There we go. Damn, that hood is heavy. Now that is one clean engine. For a 94, I cannot believe my eyes. This sucker is clean. It's still got windshield washer fluid in it, and it's still blue. Look at this. Look like Kool-Aid in there. There's no way. You gotta turn this baby on. I think she sounds pretty good. Tell me what you guys think. For a 94 Corolla being that clean in the engine bay, I find it impossible. I would have never sold this car. Let's turn this engine off and take a look at this oil. I'm just a little curious, because there's absolutely no way that you get rid of a car this nice. Oh my, that oil's fresh. That's not even used. You guys see that? That's crazy. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this car. So just off opening the doors, I've actually noticed the interior is surprisingly clean. Now if we come back here to the trunk, we'll see that they actually have the other hubcap back here. I guess they just didn't want it flying off. This car is complete, almost like it was out of a dealer. My assumption is maybe it belonged to an elderly person and they just didn't want it anymore. Maybe they didn't want to drive anymore. Maybe they got a golf cart and now they just drive around the neighborhood and go to Publix in their golf cart. And if I was old, I would do that. But this, this don't belong here. I think this belongs in my driveway. Now, one of the things I did notice, the clutch is absolutely shot. I mean, getting from down there to here, it felt like a roller coaster, but it's running good, the engine. It's running nice and smooth, AC works. The clutch, however, that is very questionable. Well, after the review, I've come to the conclusion that they just did not want the car, because there's absolutely no way you'd get rid of this beauty. But my question to you guys is, would you still trust this car? Would you drive it to work every day, pick up your kids, maybe take it to the bar? After, I think I would, honestly. I think I'd still take it off. But that's not my choice. You tell me what you guys want. Now, if you like Toyota Corollas, please make sure that you just, that like button. Make sure you give that subscribe button a kiss for me, just a little smooch. And leave a comment down below if you would save this car, or would you let it get junked? Let us know. I'm taking this sucker home. The clutch is really hard. I'm leaving. This is mine now.